Hi, I hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing the advent calendar unboxing of W7. So this is their beauty bites. It comes with 12 glamorous makeup surprises, again from W7. This is from the CVS. So I did do a advent calendar over on my TikTok and you guys really seem to enjoy it. Now if you don't follow me on TikTok, I post little snippets on my Instagram. I know not a lot of people have TikTok or Instagram. Videos that I mentioned from TikTok are always linked down below. You don't have to have an account to look at it. Okay girl, you can click on the link and you can still watch the video. So don't fret if you don't have an account, you can still watch the videos that I mentioned. So I do have an advent calendar from Smoke and Mirrors from Five Below that I recently posted. So it's going to be down below if you're into those types of videos. It does retail for $12.99 at CVS. So let's get in here. If you want to see what I got in my advent calendar, just keep on watching. All right, starting off with, gosh, I actually did this type of video last year. I had purchased like the Ulta Beauty advent calendar and it was so cute, and I still use the products from the advent calendar till this day. It was a bunch of cutesy pinky kind of products. Now I don't know what I'm getting in here. I didn't really want to look at the back of the box because that actually shows you an image of everything that comes in the advent calendar, and it's just like, girl, no. So we are going blinded in here. It's like a blind date. We're gonna see what we get. So day number one looks like so. I love that. I love that type of advent calendar where it comes in a cute little pie. I also love the ones where that you kind of like tear open. Any type of advent calendar is a favorite. So W7 actually had two different advent calendars at CVS. The other one had similar products, I believe. And I'm being aesthetic over here, okay? There's a look at that. So everything I believe is going to come wrapped like so. Ooh, okay. So me and W7, I honestly don't really own a lot of products from W7 besides maybe a palette or two. But this is the first product that we received, day number one. It is a W7 More Lashes Lengthening Mascara. Ooh, you know what? I can definitely use all of these products over on my TikTok or Instagram as like using it in the moment. I actually did film this look, which is across my social medias. It's also here on YouTube as well under my shorts. But yeah, I can definitely get a use out of these products and do like a little mini video or whatever. But let's take a look at it because I'm gonna open it anyway for my get ready with me. Oh, why is this giving me Benefit mascara vibes, right? Like that popular mascara that like all the influencers were like using a couple years ago. I don't remember the name of it, but okay girl, this wand actually looks really good. And again, this is their cute little baby mascara. It's called More Lashes. Ooh. First product off the bat, it's actually really cute. Number two, we have a red box. Let's get in here. Oh, how cute. What is this? This is W7. I'm gonna stop saying W7 because we know it's from that brand. Lotus Lake. What are you? Looks like that. How cute is that packaging? Ooh, I think it's a blush. That's so cute. Now, sometimes like with advent calendars, you don't know if you can actually buy these things full size. I hope you can, but let's go ahead and swatch this. There's a look at that blush. It's actually really light on the hand. I don't know if it's gonna translate on the skin, but so cute. All right, love that. We all love blush. Day number three looks like so. It definitely matches my outfit today. It was like not wrapped at all, but there's a liner. W7 eyeliner. Has no specific name to it or anything, but definitely is giving liner vibes. Yeah. Ooh, you guys know how much I love my wing liner, so there's a swatch of the liner. Right, I'm not the biggest fan of these types of liners. The dip liner, I don't know what it is. It's just like harder for me to apply wings, whatever. But yeah, I'd much rather a pen eyeliner, but this type of liner is not bad, and it does look like, you know, pretty dark and promising. So let's see how this works. Again, I'm going to be using all this soon on my face. Day number four, we have this pink box. Ooh, how cute. Okay, it's a little baby blender. Nothing really much to say about that. I really like these type of blenders, especially for the under eyes because it's super teeny tiny and you can get into all the little crevices. Okay, we're at day number 5, which looks like so. Okay, we're back to wrap the product. I really like the fact that some of them are wrapped up because it's just like very much Christmas vibe. Cute. This is called Very Vegan. And I think it's like a gloss, maybe like a blush, a liquid blush. So I did take a peek at the back. So this is a lip gloss. Ooh, I probably could have just known if I would have just opened it. But oh, that's a really beautiful color. Has like no scent to it, but this is so cute. Definitely a color that I would wear. Number 6 is this beautiful pink shade. Let's see what we got. I'm like scared a nail's gonna pop off. Oh yes, a little baby lipstick. This is the Lippy Chic Ultra Cream lipstick. Look at how teeny tiny this little baby is. Look at that. Oh my god, it's so small. It's so teeny tiny. Let's see the color. Okay, cute. It's like a pinky kind of moment. It's just teeny tiny, girl. Couldn't have put like a full-size lipstick in here, but it's still cute. It's giving very much mini sizes, very much travel size makeup. Number 7, we have a purple box. Sounds like something big. Let's see what it is. Oh, maybe it's a bronzer. So this is the Honolulu Sun Rays. Again, I don't love that it doesn't say what it is on the back. It just like gives you information on like the shelf life. It is cruelty free from what I can tell, and you can recycle this packaging. But okay, so it's like a contour color, and it is like the same size as the blush, which I really like. Very much mini makeup. Let's go ahead and swatch. I don't know if that's gonna look the greatest on my skin tone. It's very much a light kind of color, and it is also shimmery, so I can definitely use it as an eyeshadow if I don't use it as a bronzer. But interesting. Okay, number 8, we have a red box. This seems to be a little bigger. I'm like wishing for like a setting spray or something in here, like a little baby setting spray. Ooh, okay, this is so cute. There's no specific like theme to this advent calendar. You just get like little mini things, but this is definitely something that I'm excited for. I love highlight, so you get an afterglow highlighter, which looks like it's so cute. I think I like it because it's pink, but I really love that it comes with multi-colors in here. You can mix them up, you can use one at a time. I don't know how you would get your brush in there, but yeah, definitely gonna have to mix them. So let's see how they look when they're all mixed up. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, number 9 looks like so. Let's see. Oh, it's kind of small. It might be a eyebrow gel. Let's see. Oh, it's a gloss. Okay, so it's just a clear gloss. I don't have to swatch this one, but cute. Who doesn't need a clear gloss? All right, next we have number 10, which actually did rip open. So let's see what's in here. What are you? Ooh, another lipstick. Oh, that's cute. Okay, love the color. This is another Lippy Chic Ultra Cream lipstick, a little baby size. Not sure the shade. Oh, this is definitely more my vibe. I love these type of colors. So we do get this one here, which is looks to be like more on the mauvey brownie kind of side, and then we get the more like pinky one as well. Wearable vibes, more like rosy vibes. You can even use them as like blushes if you wanted. We're getting down to the last 2. So we have number 11 next, which seems to be just like rattling around. I don't think it's like wrapped or anything. Oh, we have an easier way of opening these. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is the all-rounder lip liner in Candy Apple. Cool. Not the biggest fan of the color. Not something that I would wear, but it does go with both of the liners. You can definitely mix and match, but cute. And it was really nice. It's not as creamy as I'd like. It's a little dry, but it's a cute little size as well. Okay, let's see what day number 12. This is the last day. Let's see what we get in here. I think it's an eyeshadow. I think it's like a single shadow. I hope not, but let's see. Oh, oh, how cute. Very random, but we did get a hair scrunchie. It's like actually really cute, especially for like New Year's. It's giving New Year's vibes. That's actually really cute. Okay, nice. So let's go over all of the products that we received. We got 2 mini lipsticks in here. We got this little gloss here. We also did get a clear gloss. A lot of lip products. We also did get a lip liner. We got a little baby sponge. We got a liquid liner. We got a mascara. We got a couple of face products, a blush, a bronzer, and a highlight, and also a little headband. Now looking at the products in front of me, I think these are really cute. Would I be excited to have received this for Christmas, like alone, as a lone present, a product? Would I repurchase it for myself? Would I buy it for somebody? No. Now that's just me. I've actually opened cheaper advent calendars that I love a lot more, which is crazy, but it's not something that I would repurchase. Again, it's not something that I would gift. The products in here are cute, and I am going to still use them on my face, but I don't know, I just wasn't as like excited about this advent calendar. I wasn't excited opening it. I wasn't like feeling the suspense. Now I think the best product I received is probably this headband, which is so random. I'm glad that they didn't add any single shadows because I'm not really into those. As you guys know, they just get lost in my collection. But now the like thing that I know I'm going to use the most out of everything in here is probably the mascara, the highlight because it's cute and pink for my videos, the blush as well, and maybe the lipsticks. Now these are products that I'm definitely going to use. I'm just like not excited about them. They're just like whatever kind of vibes. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Are you going to pick it up? What do you think? I'm just kind of like low energy about this advent calendar. It's not really exciting. It's not something that I'm excited to recommend to you. Again, let me know your thoughts in the comments. I'm just like, okay, cute. You know, whatever. Okay, yeah. Anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.